So hello guys, today I'm playing Animal Hospital. I hope this is a good team. Ooh, coffee. Time to increase my sanity so I won't die. Okay, every shift one there's a normal patient. So why would there be an anomaly? Take a photo. You look normal. Okay. I'm a secretary, so I will check in. So I can have 1 plus sanity. Oh yeah, I'm a secretary. I have leave. I have to check in. Leave. Good. You are not a patient. Oh my God, stop. Can I just check in? We know. Complete and chicken. Okay, you know anomaly. Let me check again. Okay, now you're free to go. I swear, if they kill a patient with the wrong treatment, I obviously have the worst team. This team is so useless. Okay, good. Okay, why I want to get out. Dr. Hall. Oh, Dr. Hall. Yeah, we are. With these useless. Think of we know. We played this game before. Everyone does. Sorry. Okay, now leave. Yes, I'm the best employee. Oh, why is it dark? And I swear. Okay, he's a normal patient. Okay, you're also normal from picture. You will be in room 2. Hollow face. Okay, I think that's our first anomaly. That's why we called this. Wait, why were there red dots? Also, what kind of place is this? We don't check in anomalies, so you have the worst disguise. Run from accounting. Names run from accounting. We know. Wait. Have you ever wondered why they? You ever wonder why they're people? Never mind. Of course, important patients are not anomalies. So, if all my useless workers, if my useless workers kill him. Yep. I'm ending the video. Okay, normal from camera. But I still feel suspicious about him. Check. You're also normal. Still waiting. You're not even walking in. We would check you in if you walked in. Think that will be in room 3. Aren't you gonna do anything? Oh my god, I officially have to use this. Workers. Okay, shut the door. Since my patient will check in, I will have to do it by myself and lose minus sanity because of work stress. My god. Bleeding bandages. Okay, now I need to check in Ron. Oh, his last name is the phone counting. Canadian. Maple. Wait, please don't. Finally, you've been useful for once. Doctor is arrived. Can you please fire them? These people are so annoying. I'm opening new fallacies for you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. The shop is open. Coffee. So let me get my sanity to 100. Oh, I wanted to extra check-in to make it more difficult for them. I can't afford it. Anomaly. 99 nights. I haven't. Why, you're just gonna need patience. Oh. Let the patients in. I'm UB Wolves. That's sus. I want to check in as a patient. Yeah. Please don't tell me you're a dummy. Wait, why is the computer black? It's blue. Why are you saying not to let them in? They're even normal from camera, and their card isn't even green. Why are you saying not to let them in? Are you dumb? They actually don't know how to play this game. You have an appointment. Ah! Okay, that actually scared me. Okay, I guess that's all for today.